Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to
Lake Bala.
So there's hard standing and there's grass pitches. Electric, non-electric.
We've got a non-electric as we're only stopping for one night, aren't we?
And we've also found that you can, there is motorhome parking right down by the slip.
So next time I think we'll ask to go there.
I would say so, especially if you're kayaking, ask to go down by the lake. Just saves you traipsing all the way across.
So we're just going to head back to the van. Where is the van?
I don't know.
I'm a bit lost here.
Yeah. Somewhere
opposite there. So we
Someone
should be
nicked our
there.
van.
The van's gone. Oh, I can see the awning.
Yeah.
It's behind the roof tent.
We're behind them three over there. There's
Boys
the boys
are
over there, look.
on the scooter. Just going up and down. I think I'm going to take a walk to the shop, which is on the site, which is by reception.
Sarah's forgot the towels.
Sarah's forgot the towels. I mean, I had to get everybody's bags ready, but it's all down to me.
Got the barbecue set up on the table. We haven't got it on short legs because Sarah's only 4. Now I'm going to change them now to my Crocs, so I'm going to get a bit of air get to my feet.
Right, come on in.
Sarah will show you round.
That's a joke.
Oh, so this is the boys' little setup. They've got a tent setup and their camp beds. It's a bit breezy, isn't it?
Nice, isn't it?
Come on.
Test it out.
Down.
Benj, you're not going to be happy with this. Benj,
Yep, this is nice.
Benj, look at that. Oh, she's been on your bed.
Close that because it's a bit breezy.
That's fine.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so this is the tent.
Yeah.
This is Digby's bed. Oh, over here. Come on, Diggs, get in. Show him out. No, don't jump on it. I'm just going to put him to bed and give him a bottle now. Put him to bed. Suck your thumb.
That's gay.
That's where Digby's going to
Yeah,
sleep.
wicked.
Is that comfy on there?
No.
Oh, they were £8 for a towel.
A lot of money.
I spent £34 on towels.
Oh dear.
I actually found some towels, but they're only like thin. Shush!
Ted, please.
So we're going to go down and do a bit of kayaking, I think.
Yeah. Get the boys in the water.
Great.
I'm not going in now because I'm over the limit.
I've got to sit down because Ted keeps barking at me.
Can of
So-
white Peter.
What is the matter with you?
Benj, and I'll just walk down and tell you where to go.
No, you haven't had a can of wine, Peter. And I heard that, Greg.
Yeah, well don't you get it?
I'm going to have some. I'll be beating my wife up.
Yeah.
Her name's Gregora. Yes, come in. Come on, quickly before we get told off. Getting bossed around here, aren't we?
At the back door.
Right, I'll pass you over to Greg a minute. Over to you, Greg.
Over to me, Greg. So it's a bit windy, isn't it? It's going to take you a bit to get out there with that chop.
Go, lads.
Just drop them there, fine.
Don't have to put these seats. You're having a laugh.
Don't worry, just get in. Be fine.
Try it.
Look at that, always having a drink. Go on boys, get out there. then. Be safe, remember. Remember the green cross code. Oh, they're gonna be in before they go out this rate.
On the beach. Am I meant to face him?
What do you reckon? Yeah. I reckon this would be lovely in the summer, wouldn't it, when it's red hot? Well, it's meant to be summer now, is it not? Well, if you imagine over there, the ideal spot would be if you could get one of the spots where the campers are over there. You could set yourself up nicely, put your awning up. If you could get your pegs in, probably not. Probably no awning. But you could have your barbecue on the night. I should imagine this would be a lovely spot on the evening, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And then you could put your kayak in when the wind dies down, get the drone up. And what a lovely way
Spend the holiday.
to spend a weekend in Wales. Ted's getting eager to get out there. Go on, boy.
Shall I let him on?
So I'll give it a try. In the water. The lads have had their fun. Ted's had his fun.
I'm having my fun now.
Ted's having her fun, and then I'm just going to go and relax, sit down, enjoy the afternoon with a little beer, and then I think I'm going to light the barbie. What time is it? It's about quarter past 3 now, so give it another hour. Might light the barbie. We'll be eating for about 5 o'clock, and hopefully the wind dies down. It'll be a lovely evening. Right, so we've got a bit of gear to go on the barbecue, haven't we, sir?
Yeah, we've got some sausages, we've got some pork loin steaks, we've got some big dog chilli sausages, and we've got some chicken jumps. And it's just started raining.
Ted's been a good boy, hasn't he, Ted? I think Ted's worn out today. So, yeah.
So we've got the barbie on, we've got a bit of pork on there, a few sausages for the boys.
Bit of cooking skills going on here. Bit of charcoal's just only gone down into me crock. I said crock, by the way, and burnt me foot.
I think I've got smoke in my eye.
Then half bloody jump.
I thought it was a wasp.
They don't let smoke in me. So yeah, I'll jump down me crocks. Good eye, mate. Anyway. A big baby over here.
Hey,
Yeah. Big baby number 2. Look at big baby number 1. Got some chicken goujons going on here as well now. Bit of class. Do you know what I mean? You can't beat a few goujons on the barbecue. To be fair, this is a recent thing that we found. We never used to do goujons, but they do actually cook well on a barbie. Says drop one through the hole with the chef skills. But looking good. Are we enjoying the barbecue food, guys? I don't think so. Still plenty there. Ted's got his eyes on most of it.
No, it's nice.
Got some, to top it off, we've got some spicy sausages on the barbecue to finish off. I was just eating my pork belly. Not pork belly, pork chop.
You know what that was? Because you spoke with your mouth full. If you didn't speak with your mouth full, it wouldn't have flipping fell out your mouth.
I was just eating it, literally it fell out my mouth. Ted grabbed it, game over. Oh well, that was the last piece as well. Sarah's broke it up for him so he can finish it off. But, well, I've lost my last pork chop now. What have we got left? So there's some plain sausage, some goujons and spicy left on the barbecue. So thank God there's still a little bit left because I'm still hungry.